welcome back for another video. If you're new, my name is Brittany, and for today's video we're going to be doing something exciting, which is going to be an unboxing slash try on haul for the new Fendi and SKIMS collab. So this collection recently launched November 9th, so it's been about a couple weeks since the collection launched, and I finally got all of my goodies here. So I'm super excited to share with you guys the items that I picked up from this collection, to let you guys know what my thoughts are, how much everything costs, and any other details you guys want to know about the collection. So if you want to see my lovely SKIMS Fendi try on haul, then be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I mean, you clicked on the video, you're already here, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to see the haul, then go ahead and stay tuned. So here is the box with all of my goodies inside. And if you guys know, this collection launched on November 9th, and when it launched, it was difficult to try and grab anything. I definitely had a couple of items in my cart, and by the time I checked out, they were already sold out. So things were moving quick, especially all of the things that were more on the, I would say, less expensive side, because obviously they had some pieces that were like $1,500, $1,800, and I wasn't doing that. So I picked up a few of the pieces that I was able to actually grab, and just doing a small unboxing for you guys. Opening up the box here, and it has that SKIMS logo on the inside of the box. So even though this is a collab with Fendi, it came in the SKIMS box. And then there is this kind of like purple paper here, because all of the packaging for the collab was purple. So just opening this up, because I kind of already opened it, and sorry, this is like super noisy. We have our pieces right here. So I did pick up 3 pieces from the collection, because like I said, everything was going like super fast. Like I got on there, I think it launched at 9 a.m. Is that right? I think it launched at 9 a.m. So I got on there at 9 a.m. and probably by like 9:03, 9:04, like half the stuff was already sold out. So I was able to grab these 3 items right here, and I'm super excited to talk about each piece that I grabbed. So the first item that I picked up is this one right here, and this is the sleeveless mid-thigh bodysuit in the color Georgia in the size extra small. So it just comes in this packaging right here. And the reason that I ended up getting the Georgia color was because basically I had the nude color in my cart, and then that disappeared. So I ended up going for this Georgia color, and I thought it was super cute. So here is the bodysuit right here. And as you can see, it is in this really pretty coral color. And then if you look up close, you can see like the Fendi and then the SKIMS logoing. And this bodysuit retailed for $190, which I actually didn't think was bad for Fendi and SKIMS. Being less than $200, this was definitely one of the more inexpensive pieces, and definitely something I felt like if it was cute and it worked, I definitely needed it. So what I like so far about this bodysuit is the material. The material feels so high quality, so luxe, so soft, super stretchy like typical SKIMS is. And then also, I just overall like the design. So when I did try this bodysuit on, it does have a zipper all the way in the back. And the only problem that I did have with it was like the little thigh area. This part was a little bit tight on my thighs. Granted, I did get this in a size extra small, which is the size that I normally wear, but my thighs tend to be a little bit on the bigger side. So it might have been better for me to do a small, but again, like this collection was going so fast, like you didn't have time to figure out what your size was. Like you just had to basically hope and pray that you grabbed the right size. So here is the piece right here, and then of course I'm going to make sure I try it on for you guys. I'll probably insert a clip of me trying the garment on, but again, it retailed for $190. This is a size extra small and in the Georgia color, and overall I think this piece is just Super cute. It's great for the summertime. Not really sure what I would do with it, of course, in the wintertime, especially where I'm at. Like, there is snow, so it is cold. So one thing I think I could probably do with this piece is like maybe pair it with like some jeans or like a skirt or something like that. But overall, I feel like this piece is super pretty, very beautiful. The material, again, is very high quality. I almost want to see what this material is. It says the material is polyamide and elastane, so 74% polyamide and 26% elastane, and it says this was made in Turkey. But I wish you guys honestly could just feel the material. I'm trying to think what it reminds me of. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like swimsuit material, if that makes sense. But it also kind of sucks you in a little bit. So for me, it didn't suck me in quite enough or as much as I would have hoped for. But overall, I thought the piece was gorgeous. So my second item came in this little box right here. And I ended up picking up the Hosiery Bralette in the color black in a size small. So the reason why I decided to go with the size small is because my breasts, boobs, whatever you like to say, yabos, if you get that, let me know. Anyway, is on the bigger side. So I'm about a 32 double, wait, that's a lie. I'm a 32 triple D, 34 double D, if you do like the whole sister size things. So definitely an extra small was not gonna cut it for me. And I wanted to make sure that I had enough room in the top area. So I decided to go ahead and grab the small, and this is what the bra looks like right here. And it's just like this black mesh material with the logo kind of embossed, or I don't know what the proper term is, but with the logo here, if you guys can kind of see. And it's just literally a regular little kind of like sports bra. It has a nice little thick band at the bottom, which I liked. But if you're looking for this to give you any type of hold, there is no hold. You're getting no support. When I tried this on for you guys, I paired it with a nude bra just because I also didn't want to show too much, but also wanted you guys to be able to see like the logos and everything in the bra. Overall, I thought it was super cute. I would say my only con with this bra is, when am I gonna wear it? You know, am I really gonna wear this bra, which I believe retailed for about $100 under my clothes? I'm gonna wear a $100 Fendi and Skims bra under my clothes. Like, kind of seems pointless to me. I mean, you let me know your thoughts. But overall, I thought it was super cute, and I feel like it was a cute piece to grab. I actually might end up returning this piece just because, again, the whole problem about where I'm going to wear it to. But overall, it's definitely super cute. In terms of like the material feels very nice. It doesn't feel like it's easily gonna snag. It's super stretchy, which is of course nice. And then in terms of the material, it is 92% polyamide and 8% elastane, which is what's giving it that stretch. So the last item that I picked up came in this box right here, and it is the mid-support tights in the color black and in the size extra small. So when I saw the campaign for the Fendi Skims collab, the first thing I knew that I wanted to pick up was the tights. So when I was on the website, that was the first thing that I was looking for, and honestly, these tights did not disappoint. Here are the tights right here, and they are so cute. So they look, of course, just like the bra, and they have the Fendi Skims logo on them. Again, I think they're a really good material. They are 92% polyamide and then 8% elastane. So they're super stretchy, very comfortable, and look super cute on. I feel like with the size extra small, I feel like the size is perfect for me. I think overall these are super cute. They retail for $115. And what I like about these is not only are they super cute, the price is actually not that bad for designer tights. And then also I feel like there's so many ways that I can wear this. Like I can wear these tights with a dress, with a skirt, like I could wear them with like a long jacket, with like a t-shirt dress, some heels, some booties, some boots. Like I feel like there's so many ways I can kind of like dress these tights up and make them look super cute. So these were definitely like a must have. Out of all the pieces that I got so far from the collection, these are hands down my favorite piece. And of course, because I got these, it was the reason why I decided to go ahead and get the bra, because I was like, I might as well be matchy, even though I have no clue where I'm gonna wear that bra to, you guys. Like zero clue where. So it's probably gonna go back. But overall, this is like my favorite piece, hands down. So out of the entire collection, or the 3 things that I decided to pick up, the tights are definitely my favorite. The mid bodysuit is my second favorite. And then of course the bralette is in last place. But overall, I really enjoyed all of these pieces, and I look forward to being able to style them and wear them in the future. So if you didn't get the opportunity to pick up any pieces from this collab or this capsule collection, they are planning on doing a restock. When? I'm not sure. All I know is I went back on the website and some items did say a wait list. So you can sign up for the email notification on certain pieces if you're interested in getting a notification when they do decide to restock. For me, I know I definitely want to pick up one of the bodysuits, probably the nude one or even the black one, just because I feel like those are even more versatile than the mid-thigh bodysuit that I got. So I'm definitely looking forward to the restock. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know out of the 3 pieces that I tried on today, which one was your favorite, and let me know also if you picked up anything from the collab as well. If not, let me know if you plan on picking up something, okay? Because again, I already have my eyes set on that on the nude bodysuit, and then maybe the new like mid-thigh bodysuit. I'm not 100% sure about that one, because I feel like while the bodysuit did kind of snatch me a little bit, it didn't snatch me enough. It didn't do what I feel like I needed to be done. So definitely plan on picking up the bodysuit, but I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more to come.